service offers signals are tested in the weather radio station WXL60 public warning system.
It's about time.
Potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can automatically be activated by these signals to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signals and the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7
For the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7 p.m.
will be postponed to the dependable weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area: in Virginia, Allegheny, Bedford, Bland, Montauk, Carroll, Craig, Floyd, Franklin,
Sylvania.
Halifax,
Also included is
Patrick, Sylvania, Pulaski, Roanoke, Rockbridge, and Wood. Also included are
In addition, we also broadcast short-fuse products from Mecklenburg County in Virginia and Granville and Person counties in North Carolina.
in Salem.
This has been a test of the NOAA radio warning device.
Are included.
We now return to normal programming.
This has been a test of the NOAA radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Now for the National Weather.
Yeah, you tested 15 minutes late. Good job, Blacksburg.